Good evening. Tonight we have a pack of Topps Baseball 2022 Series 1. Let's see what we get. The second pack here. Ooh, I got excited there for a minute. I thought that was a something cool. Hunter Renfroe, Spencer Howard, Tyler Gilbert, Cedric Mullins, Kwang Hyun Kim, Miguel Cabrera. Put him down here. Aaron Ashby, Ian Kennedy, Willie Castro, Barrett Hampson, Mike Zunino, Cesar Hernandez, Adam Wainwright, Joey Votto. All right, put Joey down here. 6-4 stars, Red Sox. Xander Bogaerts and Enrique Hernandez. And then stars of the game, Mookie Betts. All right, thanks for watching.